barbell standing shoulder press. A great exercise for building nice, strong shoulders. By using the barbell, it allows you to add just a little bit more weight, challenging you through that full range of motion. Now, when you grab onto that bar, you want to first make sure that your feet are in line with your hips and your palms are slightly outside of your hip alignment. This is going to help you have your elbows at 45 degrees once we raise that bar up to your chin. Make sure your palms are in a pronated position, which means they are facing you. As you bring that bar up, start with the bar below your chin. Your elbows will be about 45 degrees in that finishing position. As I press the barbell above my head, I'm going to make sure that my elbows stay nice and tight to the body. Full extension of the arms overhead. You're going to poke your head through like you're peeking through a window, and you're going to bring that barbell right past the skin of your nose, returning back to that starting position. As you perform this movement, you're going to have to control that weight with both your shoulders and your lats on that eccentric contraction. As you perform this exercise, make sure that you are not arching your back or flaring your rib cage open, keeping core stabilization the entire time. If you have to rock or sway to get that weight up, it is probably too heavy for you and you should lighten it up. We want to make sure we protect that lower back as well as your shoulders as you perform that full range of motion.